Hello, Dr. Vivaladasha. I'm sorry to have to inform you. You've just been fired. I'm not sure what this is all about, but I have been told that you would know. So, what's going on?
The fools! I told them what would happen if they made me continue. Fired, huh? We'll see about that. No, I don't wish to tell you. That's all. Fired. I'll show them what would have happened if they'd let me continue my work. The program is on. They'll see.
Is that all? Are we finished? I don't feel any change.
Yes, we're through. The programming of the chip is finished. However, made a few key changes we haven't discussed. Follow your new programming. You'll begin to feel some changes immediately.
Doctor, are you alright?
Control, this is Dorito. I am in Dr. Vivaladasha's lab. He is dead from what looks like a cardiac problem. I shall close the lab down and prepare the body for return to the underwater base as soon as possible. Dorito out.
I must go to the Earth base and finish my mission. Now I know what changes the doctor has made to.
I wonder where Spongicle is. I'll have to find him before I leave. He can remain here until I get further orders.
Yes, may I help you? Stop! What is the meaning of this? Where are you taking me? Who do you think you are? Help!
Stop resisting and go to sleep. I've been programmed to eliminate this one, but I don't want to. It would be wrong. This goes against Dr. Vivaladasha's programming. I'll keep her instead. Yes, that is best.
Delilah, Iowa is missing. I can't find her anywhere. Do you know where she might be? He doesn't like her disappearing like this. He thinks we need to search for her. Immediately.
She could be in serious trouble.
Me and my father's lab. We should start our search there.
Look what I found. I think it was the code your father wrote. If it is what I think it is, it has something to do with the chip that is implanted in the soldier.
Hey, look what I found. If this is the machine my father was talking about, it neutralizes the chip's programming. He wanted something to be able to neutralize the chip in case it got corrupted while it was implanted in the soldier's neck.
Hey, I think I found something. According to this, the only soldier your father worked on was Spongicle. Maybe he has something to do with this. In fact, I bet on it.
He's probably a malaria, as my father called it. The plan was once the chip was approved and in use in the soldiers, they would be sent to this space base.
What's the chip do to them?
It turns the soldiers into super soldiers. My father said they were going to be pretty scary once he completed his work. Spongicle has to be the first.
I hope not, but if he is, we have to find him fast. I think Iowa's life depends on it. just lost Iowa's internal tracker. No signal. This isn't good.
We'll have to get close enough to SpongeBob to use the machine on the chip in the back of his neck. Any ideas?
Not right now. This place is spooky.
I've got an idea. When we find him, I'll start to fight him. While he is distracted, use the machine on him.
Are you sure?
I can handle myself, and unless anybody else has a better idea, you two just make sure to get that chip with your machine.
We will do our part.
I won't be able to hold him for very long.
What are you guys doing here? Why is Miss Hanson tied up? Why are we all on the moon base? We should untie her.
He captured me. He took me away. Look out, he's dangerous.
Not anymore. He's changed now. We fixed him. He's not dangerous anymore. Look.
Yes, I'm sorry. I don't know why I did what I did. If you let me take control, she'll be safe. Can I trust you? You have my word. Don't worry, Doctor. I'll make sure it